everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Children, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Myself Shailaja Dhumar, your literacy subject teacher. Okay, so children, which content we are studying from the previous session, that is from literacy skill book, right? So take your literacy skill book and come to page number 8888. Children, if you have remember, from the previous session we are studying days of the week, and after days of the week we have learnt months of the year. Okay, so in that we have solved page number 86, one practice sheet we have solved, as well we have solved page number 87, there was also one practice sheet. Okay, now I hope you have opened page number 8888. Yes, so on this page what is there? Write the months in the correct sequence. Okay, January, March, July, October, August, February, June, December, November, April, September, May. Okay, now tell me children, is this in correct sequence? No. What we are going to do is, we are going to write in this side in a correct sequence. So in the year, first month, in first month, which month will come in year first month? Which month will come? What is the name of that month? January, right? Take your pencil, sharp your pencil, say and write January, 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 January. Okay, next, now tell me second month. What is the name of second month? February. So see, February, February. So write the spelling F, capital letter February, February, February. January, February, and third month, what is the name of that month? March. Yes, so write the spelling. Here it is M-A-R-C-H, March, capital letter M-A-R-C-H, March, M-A-R-C-H, March. Okay. So children, after March, see, January, February, March, April. Write the spelling of April. Here it is. Say and write with beautiful handwriting. A-P-R-I-L, April. A-P-R-I-L, April. January, February, March, April, and May. Here it is. Write the spelling of May. M-A-Y, May. M-A-Y, May. M-A-Y, May. Say January, February, March, April, May, June. So where is the spelling of June? Here it is. Write capital letter J, J-U-N-E, June. J-U-N-E, June. After June, which month will come? July. J-U-L-Y, July. J-U-L-Y, LY, July. Repeat after teacher. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Write the spelling of August. 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 July, August, September. SEPT. Which month will come after August? Yes, SEPT. Say and write. SEPT. EMBER. September. SEPT. EMBER. September. After September, which month will come? Very good. October. So where is the spelling? January, March, July, October. Here it is. So write the spelling, capital letter OCTOBER. 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 Okay. After October, which month will come? August, September, October, November. Yes. Capital letter NOVEMBER. November. Now, after November, last month. In which month we celebrate New Year? December, 31st December, right? So, what will be the last month? What is the name of last month? December. Where is the spelling? Here it is. Write the spelling. DE, capital letter DECEMBER. 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 Okay. Now I hope you have completed till here. Repeat after teacher. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay, till here have you completed? Fine. Now children, come to page number 8989. Yes, children, I hope you have settled already and you are on page number 8989. Yes. Now, if you will see on this picture, these are some words. What? These are some words. Now, what are these words? These are the sight words. What? These are the sight words which we use on a regular basis. Okay, we can call it common words also, जो हम लोग रेगुलर डे टू डे लाइफ में रेगुलर सेंटेंसेस में यूज करते हैं, ऐसे शब्दों को हम लोग साइट वर्ड्स या फिर कॉमन वर्ड्स भी बोलते हैं. नाउ व्हाट आर दोज वर्ड्स? वी आर गोइंग टू सी. ओके, साइट वर्ड्स, SIGHT, sight, WORDS, words, sight words. Okay, now see children, school, about, class, king, board, break, chalk, towel, chin, ice, ground, cream, ओके, व्हाट आर दीज आर द साइट वर्ड्स. हम लोग रेगुलर बेसिस पे ये जो वर्ड्स है इसको यूज करते हैं. ओके, नाउ इफ यू विल सी इन योर बुक, कैन यू सी दिस, व्हाट इट हैज रिटन? साइट वर्ड्स आर commonly used words that the learner should recognize at a glance. Sight words are commonly used words that the learner should recognize at a glance. Emphasis is placed on their recognition to facilitate reading. Okay, माने ये जो words है ना, at a glance में हम लोग क्या करते हैं? recognize करते हैं. एंड ये जो वर्ड्स है हम लोग क्या करते हैं? इसको कॉमनली रेगुलर बेसिस पे यूज करते हैं. सो इसीलिए इसको क्या कहा जाता है? साइट वर्ड्स और कॉमन वर्ड्स वी कैन कॉल इट. ओके, अबाउट, ओके, नाउ रिपीट आफ्टर मी. अबाउट, स्कूल, बोर्ड, ब्रेक. ब्रेक माने टूटना या फिर गैप लेना भी बोल सकते हैं. क्लास, कक्षा, किंग, टॉवेल, चॉक, आइस जिसको हम लोग बर्फ बोलते हैं, चिन. नाउ कैन यू सी माई फेस? ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड चिन. नाउ शो मी योर फिंगर्स, टच योर चिन, दिस इज ए चिन. ओके, नेक्स्ट, ground, cream, ground, cream. Now come to page number 9090. Okay, here are some more sight words, common words. Coffee, first I will explain you, I will read it, after me you repeat. Coffee, music, color, children, fire, life, earth, play, house, water, happy and time. Okay, now repeat after me. Coffee, music, color, children, fire, fire माने आग. Okay, life, earth जिसको हम लोग पृथ्वी बोलते हैं, धरती बोलते हैं. ओके, प्ले, प्ले माने खेलना, हाउस, वाटर, हैप्पी एंड टाइम. ओके, कम टू पेज नंबर 9191. हैव यू ओपनड ऑल ऑफ यू? यस, ओके. These are also sight words. I will read it, repeat after me afterwards. Butterfly, plants, song, air, birthday, wood, large, tree, gift, bucket, please and finish. Okay, now you repeat after me everyone. बटरफ्लाई जिसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? तितली बोलते हैं ना. प्लांट्स, छोटे छोटे प्लांट्स लगाते हैं ना हम लोग. नेक्स्ट, सॉन्ग, गाना जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं एयर, हवा. बर्थडे, वुड जिसको हम लोग लकड़ी बोलते हैं. लार्ज, लार्ज माने साइज से जो बड़ा है उसको लार्ज बोलते हैं. ओके, स्मॉल, लार्ज. नेक्स्ट, ट्री जिसको हम लोग पेड़ बोलते हैं. गिफ्ट, बकेट, प्लीज, फिनिश. ओके चिल्ड्रन, टिल हियर हैव यू कंप्लीटेड? You understood? Now take your workbook, literacy workbook, and take your literacy workbook and come to page number 4141. Okay, so children, I hope you have opened page number 4040. Okay, now see. This is page number 4040, your literacy workbook. Okay, short E sound. Look and color the correct word box. Okay, children, if you will see here, some pictures are given. Okay, so in front of these pictures the names are given. So what you are going to do is you have to recognize this picture. Okay, and you have to color the correct word. जो इसमें से correct word है ना, उस box को आपको color करना है. Like example, now what is this? This is a cake, hen, bat, red. What is this? This is a color. And what is the name of this color? Red. So this is our answer. And what we are going to do? Here we are going to give color. आपको जो favorite color है, आप उसको उस favorite color से इस बॉक्स को कलरिंग कर सकते हो. लुक एंड कलर द करेक्ट वर्ड बॉक्स. इसको देख, आपको पिक्चर्स को देखना है. यू हैव टू रिकॉग्नाइज द पिक्चर एंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ दिस इफ यू कैन सी दीज आर द हेल्पिंग बॉक्स. Answers are given and in the correct answer, in the correct box, in the correct answer box, you will get the answer in this box. Okay, so in that box you are going to give the color. So like example I shown, this will be your homework. You have to complete at your home. So write here HW. Okay, completed. Okay, now come to page number 4141. Short E sound. Okay, children, if you remember in phonics we have learned vowels, short sounds, long sounds, rhyming words. Okay, double O, double U, different O sound, different U sounds. These things, all these things, these all the concepts we have learnt. Okay, now what you are going to do, you each practice sheet you are going to solve now. Okay, now see, short E sound. Write the names of the picture from the help box. Okay, now if you will see these pictures here, what is this? This is the helping box. Okay, and these are the pictures. You are going to recognize the pictures and from this box the word which has the answer you are going to write below this picture. Like example, what is this? This is a color, but what is the name of this color? Red. So you are going to see the spelling of red. Here it is. Okay, and you have to write here R-E-D, red. This is a net, this is a pen, this is a bell. This is what they are doing? Huh? What is this? These are the legs. Okay, these are the legs. And what this man is doing? He is begging. Okay, so B-E-G, beg. So here you are going to write the answers. Okay, so this will be your homework. Write HW. Okay, now come to page number 4242. 4242. Yes. Now what is this, children? Yes, come on, try to say me what is this. If you will see, if you will remember, in the previous session, short A sound we have solved. Okay, that was your homework. I hope you have completed that homework. Same way, you have to complete this. Short E sound. Find the rhyming words and draw a line across them. Okay. Like example, children, these are the rhyming words. Okay. These are the rhyming words. And see, these are the pair of rhyming words. But you have to see the answer, which is the rhyming word. Okay. And on that you have to draw one line. Like example, jet, hog, pet, tug. Listen it very carefully. Jet, hog, pet, tug. Now children, tell me, jet, hog, is this a rhyming word? No. Pet tug, is this a rhyming word? No. Jet pet, yes, these are the rhyming words. So what you are going to do is, you are going to draw the line on this, like this. You got the answer, right? So like this you are going to draw one line. Okay, so this will be your homework. Write HW. Next page, page number 43. Look, short E sound. Look and name the picture. Color the one that has short E sound. Short E sound. Okay, now see children, this is a bell and this is a bag. B-E-double-L, bell. B-A-G, bag. Okay, this is a short E sound word. This is a picture of short E sound. So what you are going to do is, you have to color over here. Okay, look and name the picture. Write the name of this picture here and color this picture beautifully. Okay, so this will be your homework. Yes everyone. Now come to page number, I hope till here you completed. Now come to page number 44. 44. These all the things we have learned before. Okay, all of you. So you have to complete this homework now. You can take the help from your parents. Now what is this on this page? What is here? Short I sound. Short I sound. Mane, if you will see, these are the words. Okay, but in front of this one letter has been given. Okay, only B-I-B, N-I-N-E, इससे कंप्लीट होता है क्या एक वर्ड? R-I-R-E, इससे एक वर्ड मिल रहा है क्या हमें? Are we getting any meaning? No. So what we are going to do is, add a letter to the blends to form new words. These are the blends. In front of these blends, this is a letter. We are going to add this letter to complete the word. Then only we are getting the meaningful word, right? Like example, B-I-B. Here, what is there? B. B-I-B. Bib. N-I-B. Nib. R-I-B. Rib. Yes, so इसके मीनिंग हमें मिल गए ना. दिस इज ए कंप्लीट वर्ड. ओके, B-I-B, बीब. छोटे बच्चे को हम लोग जब खाना खिलवाते हैं, here something we put in his neck, right? That we call B-I-B, bib. Okay, N-I-B, nib. Can you see this pen? In front of this pen, if you will see this white part, that we call N-I-B, nib. R-I-B, rib. हमारे बैकबोन को पीछे की तरफ एक पार्ट होता है, बॉडी पार्ट, दैट वी कॉल रिब. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो दिस विल बी योर होमवर्क. दिस होल एग्जाम्पल्स यू कैन कंप्लीट बाय योर ओन. यू कैन टेक द हेल्प फ्रॉम द पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो. ओके, नाउ कम टू पेज नंबर 45. आई जस्ट वेट फॉर अ सेकेंड. Now children, I hope till here you have completed. Come to page number this side, 45. Okay, so what is here on this page? Short I sound. Look and color the correct word box. This also we have solved. Same practice sheet also we have solved before, right? So what you are going to do is, you have to recognize the picture. These are the helping words. From that helping words, you are going to see the correct answer, and in that box you are going to give the color. Okay, now what is this? This is a bib. Dig, bib, bin, read. So what is our answer? We got already bib. So in this box you are going to give color. Okay, whichever color is your favorite, give it and write here HW homework. Yes? Okay. Now children, come to page number 46. Write the names of the picture from the help box. Children, can you see this helping box? These are the pictures and here helping box is there. So you are going to recognize the picture, okay, and the name of that picture already it has been given over here. You have to see the name and write the correct answer below the picture. Like example, which picture is this? This is a pin. So sip, sit, pin. What we are going to do? We are going to write the correct answer. P, small letter P, I, N, pin. Okay, like this you are going to find the answer from this helping box. Okay, and you are going to write here. So this will be your HW homework. Now come to page number 4747. Find the rhyming words and draw a line across them. Okay, this is also we have seen before. So write here HW, rhyming words ढूंढ के उसके ऊपर आपको एक लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. Like example, big teen, big tan. So from this pair you are going to find the rhyming words and उसके ऊपर आपको एक line draw करनी है. Okay, so this page is your homework. Yes. So children, I hope you understand our today's content, which is sight words. Also we have solved one practice sheet of months of the year. So children, here we have completed our new content, which is sight words from the literacy skill book. Yes children, I hope whichever part you have learned till date you have understood and you enjoyed also. Okay, so we are concluding over here. Yes, we'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Thank you.